Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna use Textunmask to remove or to undo Textmask command. Let's get started. So to remove Textmask, you will need to type in Textunmask. So let's type in and then press enter. You will need to select the text and then click the spacebar. And once you do, as you can see, the text mask will disappear and this will be just a regular text now. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.